And Sheridan seems increasingly interested in building a universe that can live everywhere. Prestige streaming, broadcast television, and eventually syndication. That's not just franchise building, that's empire building. And in one of the strangest twists of the streaming era, Paramount built its future around Taylor Sheridan. Yellowstone streamed on Peacock, and beginning in 2029, Sheridan himself is headed there too. While the staggering billion-dollar price tag grabbed headlines, Taylor Sheridan's departure from Paramount was far more than money. Following the Skydancer merger, Sheridan reportedly clashed with Paramount's new leadership over creative control, executive oversight, and tightening budgets on his increasingly massive productions. For a creator used to operating with near total freedom, the relationship slowly fractured. Meanwhile, NBC's Universal's Donna Langley put on a full-court press, personally flying to his Texas ranch multiple times while offering something Paramount no longer could: complete creative freedom across television, streaming, and film. In the end, Hollywood's biggest hitmaker decided to build his next empire somewhere else, which makes the next 3 years fascinating. Can anyone sustain this level of hit-making forever? Will Sheridan still be television's hottest creator by the time he arrives at Peacock? And how motivated do you stay when you already know you're leaving? Because human nature has a funny way of holding things back. Sometimes the next great idea never makes it to paper until you're riding on somebody else's stationery. A lot can change before Paramount's franchise player takes his typewriter and walks off the lot.